second. I will continue. I started to do 3D. Now I want to continue with my initiation of 3D today. I started, then I had like to stop, and now I'm ready to go again. How are you? Hola, ¿y cómo estás tú? I mean, I had some, unfortunately, I'm really apologizing. I had to stop what I started, and then I got back again, but it's all back to track now. Let me open. I had last time some little problem on YouTube, actually, because I don't know actually how right now people are doing this, the streaming. I am, you can see right now even on YouTube that for some reason my camera just got very shrinked, like very small. Let me edit transform just to see if I can make it bigger. I don't know, maybe, oops, no. Oh, no, not this. Okay, it's cropping, so I'm gonna put in here. Okay, like this. Perfect. I managed to fix something. 1,000 words. Hello, how are you? Is everything okay? Today I will do, I know that Venus is not here anymore. I wanted to actually talk to Venus and discuss with her a couple of things that we agreed. But no, she's not here. Today I will continue. I'm not sure if everyone saw my final animation. Actually, let me show, because it was a little bit creepy in the end. I will show now. All right. Whew. It got a little bit too hot. Leandro, hello, Leandro, how are you? So we keep going today with 3D. Even though that I'm not sure, let me try to, I'm gonna change a little bit, because as I say, good on you, everything is perfect. I guess I see the problem on YouTube. I don't know how is it working and why is it going like this. My screen on YouTube is just getting stuck and it's not changing, and my cat is gonna just join the stream right now. So let me screen capture. Oh, she is here. I will need to make a new one. Del, all right. Perfect. It's like in that meme. So Xena is here. Xena, we all love you. Pobrecita Xena. Vamos. So let me explain a little bit of what I'm gonna do. No, Xena, I cannot work like this. Empezamos. For nothing. Xena, you do it to me for nothing. Can you move? Okay. Let me show you my animations that I did last time. I'm actually not sure which one is the correct. Yeah, so guys, the animation that I'm doing right now, and she's biting me again and again. Xena, stop it. I love you too. So the animation with this one. I'm very happy with how is it going? How is it looking? Lights are done. Smoke is ready. And she's appearing. As I say, if I go and look in here in the camera view. Oh no, let me take a camera view. If I put Eve, Well, it's not that creepy now,
Well,
but
it's not that creepy now, but
now it is creepy.
now it is creepy.
It is like really,
It is
really
like
bad.
really,
But this is just the view,
really bad.
how it
But
is
this is
working.
just the view, how it works.
So I can do, and I can proceed with
So I
two
can
different
do,
things
and
right
I
now.
can proceed with
The
two
first
different
one
things
is
right
that
now.
I
The
can
first one is that I can
investigate my previous animation and just to figure
investigate
out
my
what was
previous
wrong with
animation
this,
just to figure
or
out what was wrong with this,
I can
or
go
I
directly
can
for the
go
room
directly
animation,
for
like
the
a room modeling.
animation,
Xena,
like
we
a
all
room
love you
modeling.
in here.
Xena, we all love you in here.
Should not even doubt. Like, imagine that this is my cat just
Like,
presenting
imagine that this
everything.
is my cat just presenting everything.
So I will, let's just analyze it a
So
little
I
bit
will
and
let's
maybe
just
see what I
analyze
can
it a
fix in
little
here.
and maybe see what I can fix in here.
It's okay. She's running.
okay. She's running.
The door is open. She closed.
The door is open. She closed.
Maybe this animation is too fast.
Maybe this animation is too fast.
All right, I think it's okay. A couple of changes
okay.
I will
A
do.
couple
So
of-
first
a
of
couple
all,
of
I will
changes I will
save
do. So
what I
first of
have
all, I
right
will
now.
save what I have right now.
Xena, ¿qué problema tienes?
Xena, ¿qué problema tienes?
Ay. Xena, don't spoil my.
Xena, don't.
At least I need to
spoil my-
see what I have on my
I
screen,
need to
Xena.
see what I have on my
Ow.
screen. Xena,
It's
ow.
hurts so much, Xena.
It's
If
hurts
you're
so
gonna
much,
bite me, I'm
Xena.
gonna perfume
If
you.
you're gonna bite me, I'm gonna perfume
Behave
you.
goodly.
Behave goodly.
If I do this, she knows
If I do this,
what perfume
she
is.
knows what perfume is.
Let's take a look. As I
Let's take a
said, I don't
As
like
I said, I don't like
how the smoke is going.
how the smoke is going.
There's my whole animation line in here.
My whole animation line in here.
Making it smaller.
Making it smaller.
And let's say if I...
And
Aha,
let's
this
say
is this
if I-
moment.
Aha, this is this moment.
So basically what I want to do is to make this
Basically what I
all
want to do is to make this
animation
all
more slow.
More slow.
Let's go for it.
Let's go for it.
Put a little bit of Michael Jackson
Put
for
a
you.
little bit of Michael Jackson for you.
And then we're gonna check
And
the progress.
then we're gonna check the progress.
Surprise, Xena.
Surprise, Xena.
Of course, like I was not streaming right now.
Like I was not streaming right now.
She was not Cat the protagonist
was not
always, but I'm
Cat the
saying I just was
always, but I'm
5
saying
minutes
I
ago was
just
not streaming and
5 minutes
she
ago
was
not
far away.
streaming and
As soon
she
as
was far away. As
she
soon
knows that
as,
the camera is on,
she knows that the camera
she's
is
in
on,
here looking straight to
she's
the
in
camera,
here
just
looking
like this, like
straight to the camera, just like this, like.
yeah. Let me see what I can do. I need
Let
to.
me see what
I
I
just
can do.
need to
I
make
need
it
to- I just need to make
not
it
not that fast in here. So
that
basically, I need
fast
just to
in
pick
here.
up
So
the
basically I need
keyframes
just
and
to pick up
stretch
the
them
keyframes and
across the timeline.
stretch them across the timeline.
So let's see if I gonna
So
Go
let's
to
see
this
if I gonna
view.
to this view.
I think they're just appearing very fast.
I think
so
they're
I need
just
to.
appearing very fast.
The
So I
problem
need to-
is in this moment.
the problem is in
Oof.
this moment.
So, ooh,
Oof, ooh, ooh.
star of the show. Yeah, for sure.
Star of the show.
I don't know what she's doing.
I don't know what she's doing.
Meditating.
Meditating.
No idea.
No idea.
So let's see.
So let's see.
I'm making this.
I'm making this.
Actually, yeah, I did a mistake already.
Actually,
I know it's good.
yeah, I did a
I've
mistake.
placed here frames
I know,
on
it's good.
292,
I've placed here frames on 292,
and I will do the same in here.
and I will do the same in here.
Let's see.
Let's see.
No, Xena doesn't want me in any case to. No, Xena doesn't want me in any case to be in camera at all. To be in camera at all. Xena heard some strange noise. Xena heard some strange noise. Who knows what is this? Just checking if everything is okay on YouTube. Checking if everything is okay on YouTube. Oh my god, Interpreter's Fuge. I cannot even read the screen because Interpreter's Fuge. I cannot even read the screen. Overlapping everything for me. Why are you dying? What do you mean that you are dying? Please don't die. What does it mean? Why are you dying? Please don't die. Like I had a very hard day. And very hard day. Like today I literally had such a busy day that I was like, I cannot find like a peace inside of me. But still I was like change, shift, and I can do new activity in Blender, and it's gonna help me in anything. So what's wrong with you? Why are you saying that you're dying? So let's see. Say for here. I think it's okay. So I think if I save, I think we fixed it. At least we tried. Your cat, I don't know why, but hilarious. She just parks right in front. I have no idea why. Like, yeah, as I say, Xena, you know, I was just like, also, my idea is this Twitch stream is about me. I wanted to make something very egoistical. And egoistical, is it even a word? Egoistic, yes. So I wanted to make something egoistic about me, like my own Twitch channel, my own YouTube channel, where I can show my own art independently on other people's opinion. When I'm gonna say, who cares? And I ended up to what? Xena still in all attention. Up to this point that all of the followers that I have, they just come into my streams and they're like, how is Xena? Where is Xena? That's how I live. So I fixed this. That's how I live. Let's take a look one more time on animation just to see if we can fix something else, as I was mentioning. So fix something else, as I was mentioning. This is on. This is on. I lost it. I was checking my phone. I'm sorry. I lost it. I was checking my phone. I'm sorry. It's too fast. Aha, in this one should not stop. Okay, I see. Let's take a look just one more time on how she's... Okay, is it, are we okay with the way how she enters? Are we okay with the way how she enters? Okay, let's say that we are. Okay, we are. Just to before I open the new Blender file and we start the whole new stuff. Open the new Blender file and we start the whole new stuff. I don't know, Xena just decided fully. I don't know, Xena. The Dorslam is nice. Yeah, I like it. Interpreter's Fuge, how are you? Dorslam is nice. Yeah, tell me how are you. Interpreter's Fuge, how are you? Tell me how are you. What I want to do. I want to play a little bit more with her head, because somewhere in here in the house I'm hiding her head. Because somewhere in here in the house I'm hiding her head. It's supposed to be, well, closer to the end of the animation. Ah, this one. I want to take a look. So we have a head and hair animation actually simultaneous. We have a head and hair animation actually simultaneous. Oops, oops, oops. Let me see. Oops, oops, oops. Let me see. And this. Head and hair.
Head and
Good,
hair.
good. Tired. Good. I have to replace two
Tired. Good. I have
property
to
managers.
replace
So
two
I've been interviewing candidates
property
all
managers.
day.
So
But wait
I've
a
been
second.
interviewing candidates
Property
all day.
managers.
But wait a second.
Interpret a few.
Property managers.
Okay, let's take a closer
Okay, let's
view
take a closer
onto my
closer
viewers.
view
Why are
onto
you saying
my
something about
viewers. Why
properties?
are you saying something about
Because I saw that you're a 3D artist.
Because I
Like
saw
I,
that
I
you're
never
a
thought that you have
3D
something like this.
artist.
Which
Like,
property
I never
managers?
thought that you have something
I'm
like
sorry
this.
that no one can
Which
actually
property
see me
managers?
because Xena,
I'm sorry that no one can actually
just
see me
like-
because Xena.
nothing I can do with her. Okay. So as I say, today is probably going to be a little
Okay.
bit smaller stream.
So as I say,
But I
today is
wanted,
probably gonna be a
you
little
know,
bit
I always
smaller
say that
stream,
I'm probably
but
the
I
most
wanted
stubborn
to,
person in the
I
world.
always say that I'm probably the most stubborn person in the world.
So if I need to do, if I have to do, I'm gonna do it, even if
So
my
I
plans
need
are
to do,
being
if I have
screwed.
to do, I'm gonna do it. Even
So
if my plans
I
are
have
being
here's
screwed.
animation that is basically
So
makes
I
the
have here's animations that is
head
basically
go
makes the
up
head go
and down, and here's going up. So I
down,
basically will copy. This is
and
go
here's going
animation
up.
for
So I
going down.
basically will copy. This is go animation for going
I
down.
will paste it in here.
I will paste it in.
Basically, I need to
here.
just keep going, copy pasting up and down. But
Basically, I need to just
well,
keep going.
I will just
copy-pasting
do
up
like
and
this.
down, but
so this animation we
well,
don't even know.
just do like
We
this.
don't even need.
So
Sorry.
this animation we don't even
So
know.
this is
We
ready.
don't even need. Sorry. So this is
And
ready.
starting from this point, I will just file
And
save.
starting from this
and
point,
now
just
we will
file
do
save.
Something
And now we will
totally new.
something
We will go. Oh,
totally,
well,
totally new. We will
um,
well,
very good. But her, she's bold
very
now.
good, but her
She's still beautiful like
She's
this.
bold
But
now.
what just
she's still
happened
beautiful like
to
this,
her
but
hair?
what just happened
Come
to
on.
her hair?
Okay, I need to
Come
put the
on.
keyframes on.
I need to put the keyframes on.
Please, just on this moment, just
just
oh
on
yeah, yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
Moment, just oh yeah 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 yeah.
Gonna check if everything is going correctly. Okay, so
Gonna
here
check
is
if everything is going correctly. Okay, so
where
here
she
is
went out of control.
where she went out of control.
It's always something that going not as I
It's
wanted
always
to.
something that going not
Ay,
as I
por
wanted
favor,
to.
por favor. Now interpreters future I'm gonna read because
Por
for
favor,
me to
por
read
favor.
you I
Now
need to
interpreters future I'm gonna read because for me to read you I need to
fight with Xena as number one
fight with Xena
and finish my
number one and finish
my animation in here.
my animation in here.
So I want to have just okay.
So
I want to work
have
with this
just-
angle, and if I go in here,
I want to work with this angle, and if I go in here,
okay,
okay,
like this, and this one
like this, and this one
just in here. Good.
just in here. Good.
Why is it even so different now?
Why is it even so different now?
Why here is working? I should delete it probably.
Why here is working? I should delete it probably.
No, I do 3D for fun.
No,
I only got into it because I
for fun.
feel
I only got
RC
into
quad
it because
cars.
I
Racing probably with my 3D
cars.
but this is so cool.
Racing probably.
I
with
also
my
do
3D
it more, but I mean,
I also do
I'm
it
really,
more, but I mean,
I wanted to bring up
I'm
this
really-
conversation in here, and I don't be that
wanted to
surprised.
bring
But
up
this
this
is
conversation
all
in here, 'cause then I don't be that
what
surprised,
right
but
now
this
is so
all
much related to
what right now is
Sora
so much
and
related
OpenAI and what they did,
Sora
and how
and OpenAI
it's
and what
easy
they
right
did,
now to,
and how it's easy right now to
let's say, okay, I need to also delete this.
Let's say.
How easy right now is to create the videos of, at
How
least
easy
from
right
what
now
we
is to
see,
create
right?
the videos of, at least
And
from what we see, right?
realistic ones.
And
So I just posted today on
realistic
Instagram my. Why is
so I
it
just
getting
posted
bold?
today
Why
on
she's
Instagram my.
bold?
Why is it
Okay, but
getting
what if I
bold?
gonna
Why she's
just copy
bold?
paste this in here?
Okay, but what if I gonna just copy paste this in here?
Why she's getting bold? That's not what I wanted to.
Why she's getting bold? That's not what I wanted to.
Can we do like this? Okay, if I do it separately, it's working.
Can we do like this? Okay, if I do it separately, it's working.
All right. So I just.
All right.
Yeah, it's
just-
always.
It's always
It's always like this, but it's okay. So okay, now I can save
always
it.
like this.
Okay,
but it's
guys,
okay.
we
So
are ready.
I
Now I'm
can
gonna
save it.
now
Okay,
I'm gonna
guys,
open
we
the
are
new
ready.
file,
Now I'm gonna
and we're gonna
now I'm
do
gonna open the new file,
a proper interview design.
proper-
Let's start it, and I'm gonna explain how we're gonna
proper
do
interview
it.
design. Let's start
I
it,
will
and I'm gonna
work with
explain how
this
we're gonna do
reference
it.
image. I will
work
just
with
let's
this
say copy
reference image.
object.
I will just
and
let's
make
say
file
copy
save, and we
object,
have it. So now we are ready
file
to start
save,
a
and we
new
have it.
interior
So now
design
we are
file.
ready
No,
to
it's
start
getting a
new
little bit longer
interior
to
design file. No, it's getting a little bit
to
longer
save. Okay, file, new,
to save. Okay, file, new.
general. Oh, what a surprise! Xena, she's so
General.
surprised. So what I was saying, I posted several ideas today on my Instagram. The first one is okay. I'm really happy, and I was super
The first one
into
is okay. I'm
3D
really
because-
happy and I was super into
and in general into art because I
3D
have a
because-
big fantasy,
and in
and I
general
really
into
really
art
need
because I have
to
a big
throw it away
fantasy,
somewhere.
and I really need to throw it away
Okay.
somewhere. Like
I cannot see this face with no.
I cannot see this face with no.
Okay. Guys, do you think it's normal that she's behaving
Do
like
you
this?
think it's normal that she's?
I cannot. I
like
don't
this?
even want to show my screen with
I
Blender
didn't even want
because
to show
I
my
think
screen
unless
with
she
Blender
is just like
because
this,
I think unless she is
it works
just
to
like this,
divide my screen by half, show a little
it
bit of
works
Blender,
to
and
divide my screen by half, show a little bit of Blender, and
and who cares about other stuff?
and
come
who
on.
cares about other stuff? Like, come on.
It's amazing. It's the most amazing creature in the world. Look at this.
The most amazing.
Look at
creature in the
this.
world. Look at this. Look at this.
Okay, let's keep going. Xena, let's look in there.
Let's
So
keep
I'm
going.
gonna
Xena.
paste
There.
the reference.
So I'm gonna
Where is it?
paste the reference.
It's supposed to be. Aha,
is
my
it?
reference is here. So
Supposed to be. Aha, my reference is here. So
no shame this cat has. No shame at all.
no shame. This.
So we have a
has no
reference,
shame
and
at
what I'm
all.
gonna do, because we did the
So we
first
have a
frame
reference,
of this,
and what I'm gonna do,
now I will
because we
work
did the
on
first frame of
her
this, now I
room,
will
and basically I
work
would
on
need to make
her
this. This is my
room.
plan.
Basically, I would need to make.
Let's take a look.
this.
The next
This is my
stream,
plan. Let's take a look. The next
we will
stream,
work. So yeah, I would need to make it
we
big,
will work.
not as
So
not
yeah,
in
I
the
will-
scale
I will
this
need to
my
make it big, not in the scale this my
cube right now. Maybe I can make it
cube right
just
now.
a little bit smaller, like
Maybe I
this.
can make it
Okay.
just a little bit smaller, like this. Okay.
Okay. So let's see from what we can start. I think I can
So
start
let's
from
See from what we can start. I think I can start
Making
from
just the room space.
making just the room space.
Make it longer.
Make it longer.
I will put this exactly
I will put
in here.
exactly in
Now I
here.
can go to edit mode.
Now I can
I will
go to edit mode.
put the ceiling of the room up.
Put the ceiling of the room up.
Actually, I would need to have I will start
I would
from
need to have
just three
I will start from just three
walls, like two walls actually.
walls, like two
Even
walls.
if it's needed, I can always add a second or
If it's needed, I can always
third or
add
whatever.
second
So let's say this is gonna be our room.
third or whatever.
Okay.
So let's say this is gonna be our room. Okay.
It's gonna be like this. Okay. So I need to remove this face, and I need to remove this face, and I will remove this one just for the sake of rendering, because I believe that I will look from this angle.
Because I believe that I will look from this angle.
I will move my reference in here somewhere. Why the center is moved? Object set origin to geometry. But come on, why my why is my
geometry? But come on, why my
wait a second.
Wait a second.
No idea why the center is shifted, but
No idea why
okay.
the center is shifted, but
So let's take a look
Okay.
on what do I need to have in
so
here.
let's take a look.
So I will
on
have
what do I need to
the
have in here.
window
So
on
I
one
will
side,
have
and where
the
I need to show through the window
on one side, and where I need to
the
show
night.
through
I hope I see that I have
the
5
night.
person
I hope-
watching right now.
I see that
I
I
hope
have 5
Everybody
person
understands that
watching
it's
right now.
not my cat.
I hope
talking.
everybody understands that
It's
not
me.
my cat
Hi,
talking.
I'm still
It's
the
me.
main person on
Hi,
my streams.
I'm still the main person.
Okay,
on
so
streams.
for this, what I will do,
Okay,
I will
so
go to.
for
I would need to
this,
work
what I
on
will
the wall,
do,
so I
I
will
would go
select
I
edit
would need
mode.
to work on the
I
wall.
will
so
select
will
those
select
ones,
edit
and
mode.
I will extrude.
I will
Can
select
I?
those ones, and
No, I need
will
extrude one by
extrude.
one.
Can I?
I don't. I cannot do
No, I
this
need
with
one
extrude.
by one.
Xena,
I cannot do this with
No,
extrude.
you cannot. Don't.
Xena,
No, no. We all love you.
Don't. No. No.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Angry bird. Well, at least she gave me a little bit of space to also show myself.
Well, at least she gave me a little bit of space to also show myself.
Okay. I need to
Okay.
fix it with modifier. I need to
I need
make the walls
Fix it with
with
modifier. I need to
the
make
volume.
the
So I will
walls
put the modifier.
the volume. So I will put
This
the
modifier was called
This modifier was called
solidify. Definitely.
solidify. Definitely.
And why is it like this? I have no idea.
And why is
But
it
it's
like
even
this?
make
I
it
have no
more
idea.
artistic
But it's even make it more
with different
artistic.
offsets. I no idea why is this like
with
this.
different offsets. I know.
Madre mia, it's not what I was expecting to. Is it because I already made the walls somehow
made the walls
simple,
somehow
complex?
simple, complex?
Okay, I want to have simple.
Okay, I want to have simple.
All right, I want to apply,
All right. I want to apply.
and I will move this one, just which is strange to me that
And I
it's
will
not.
move this one just which is
It's
strange
just
to me
rotated
that
for
it's
some
not-
reason. No idea why.
It's just rotated for some reason. No idea why.
Okay. Keep going. I'm gonna move just one vertex in here.
I'm gonna move just one vertex.
So this
in
is our
here.
walls, even if it's not that perfect.
This is our walls.
straight,
Even
I
if
don't
it's
really
not
care
that
right now.
Perfect. Straight. I don't.
I
really
do
right
care
now.
that
I
this
do care
all
that
looks like real walls.
It,
So
this
I have
all
this
looks
now.
like real walls. So I have this.
I will
now.
save file, save. We're gonna call it,
I will save file. Save.
because if I will not
We're
save
gonna
now, I
call
will
it-
forget for sure.
Because if I will.
I
not
will
save
call
now,
it
I
just
will
like
forget for sure.
interior interior
just like interior.
one.
Interior
Okay.
one.
Actually, should I create a new folder? Well, later. Save Blender.
Should I create a new folder? Well,
So this is
later.
interior
Save
one.
Blender.
Save. Okay.
So this is
What do I need to
interior
do
one,
now? I
save.
need to
Okay.
create
What
the
do I need to
window
do
in
now?
here,
I
and
need
how I will
to
gonna do it. I
create
will
the window
create
in here, and
add.
how
I will
do it.
add
I will create
new
add
cube.
new
This would be
cube.
a window.
This would be.
I will just create the shape and I will
window.
subtract it.
I will just
So
create the
I
shape
want
and I
to
will
have a
subtract
window
it. So
like
I
this.
want to have a window like this.
Okay. And probably I can make it more artistic
And probably I can make it more artistic
if I can work with
if I can
angles
work
in here.
with angles. in
Let's
here.
say I will use
Let's say I will
bevel
use bevel
like this,
like
right?
like
Good.
this, right?
Back to object mode.
Back to object mode.
So now I can rotate this like this. It's very fat, in like it's very wide, but this is how I want it to be because I will
but this is
work now with extrude.
I will work now with extrude.
So I'm moving this all in here. Maybe I can make it a little bit smaller, just like
Maybe
this.
I can make it a little bit smaller.
I will duplicate this
this.
object to remember it.
I will duplicate
And
this
I
object to
click
remember.
this add modifier
And I click this
boolean and I
add
will select which object. This one.
boolean and I will select
And
which
I click
object.
apply.
This one.
Now if I select
I
this
click
one and I
apply.
move, we have a hole
select
in
this one
here.
and I move,
Actually, I need to clip it
we have a
because it's a
hole
very
in
good
here.
tutorial
I need to
now.
clip it because it's a very good tutorial now.
Oh, I have a new Pastarro, I
new,
believe. The cat is drawing.
Pastarro,
Very
I
welcome in
believe.
here.
The
How
cat
are
is
you?
drawing.
Good job, cat.
Very
You're
welcome
doing
in
awesome.
here. How are you?
Pastarro,
Good
we're
job,
welcome in
cat.
here.
You're
Yeah,
doing
I
awesome.
mean, this is
Pastarro, we're
you
welcome
just
in
came
here. Yeah.
in a
I
perfect
mean,
moment.
this is-
Well,
you
my
just
streams
came
a lot of
in a
times just
perfect
going
moment.
like this
Well,
because
my
this is
streams
basically
a lot
what
of
she
times
likes
just
to
going
do.
like this because this is
I
basically
swear
what she likes to do.
I just
I
was not
swear
streaming
I just
half of an hour
was
ago
not
and she
streaming,
was not even around me.
half
As
of
soon
an
as
hour
I
ago, and
start
she was not
streaming,
even
she's
around me.
here
As soon as
and
I
she wants all the
start
attention in
streaming,
the world.
she's here.
Am I
She wants
right?
all the
Now
attention
she's
in
gonna
the
pretend
world.
like it's not true. But
Am I right? Now she's gonna
very
pretend
welcome
like
in
it's not
here.
true. But,
I'm gonna briefly present
Very welcome in
myself
here.
if I can,
I'm gonna
and give
briefly
you all the
present
links. First of
myself,
all,
if I can,
and
give
just
you
gonna
all the
with
links.
her
First of all,
face is just
gonna with her
amazing. I don't know what she see there. I have no
I
idea.
don't know what
My name is Marina.
there.
I'm
I have no
Ukrainian.
idea.
I live
my
in
name is
Barcelona
Marina.
for
I'm Ukrainian.
more than
I
10
live in
years
Barcelona
already.
for more
I
than
work in
10
IT
years
for more
already.
than 13
I
years.
work in
I
IT
think
for
I
more
was
than
in
13
pretty much
years.
all of the
I
possible
think I was
areas of
in pretty much all of the
software
possible areas
development.
of
And I really
software
like to do 3D
development.
because I have a big
And
fantasy.
I really like to do
I
3D because I have a big
Like
fantasy.
to make it
I
real in a way, and that's
like
why I was
to
just a
make
couple of
it
minutes ago
real
saying that
in a
I'm
way,
very,
and that's
very
why I was
inspired
just a
and
couple
very,
of
very
minutes ago
stressed
saying
that
that
we
I'm very, very
got all of the
inspired
big
and very,
hype
very stressed
about
that we
Sora,
got
of
all of the big
OpenAI,
hype about Sora,
and
of OpenAI.
I just cannot
and
try it because they opened it for several
I
designers
just
and
cannot try it
it's
because
suffering.
for several
And,
designers and it's suffering.
Let me show you
And,
some links. So first of all, this one,
Let me show
if you
some
have
links. So
any
first
kind
all,
of
this
art
one,
yourself, if you
if
do any
you
kind of
have
art,
any
please
kind of art
I'm
yourself,
here
if you do
also.
any kind of art, please
Share,
I'm
don't
here
hesitate. Also, it's really
share,
cool.
don't
I think the
hesitate.
cat gained
Also,
consciousness
it's
low.
really cool. I
Can
think the
cat? No,
gained consciousness
she's
low.
not.
Can
Also, I will give
She's
you
not.
here. You can find all
Also,
of my
I will
links.
give you here.
Here you can
all
find
of
two
my
most
links.
important things that I just briefly gonna
Here you
show
can
to
find
you.
two most important
My
things that I
Instagram and
just
my
briefly
Balkans
gonna show
page,
to you.
and a couple
My
of
Instagram
another
and my
things
Balkans
that
page,
just
and
last
a
year
couple
and
of
this
another
year
things
I
that
wrote two
just
books.
last year
This
and
book
this
is the
year
first one, as
I
I say,
wrote
because
two books.
of
This book
my
is the
work
first
in
one,
IT
as I say,
field. I was
because,
just saying
of
about how to survive, and also about how we need to
survive, and also
let's say
about
probably
how
not
we
to
need
lose the trust in ourselves
let's say probably not
Um,
to lose the trust in ourselves
if we work even in a very hard like
if we work even
conditions.
in a very hard
and
like
also in
conditions.
here
and also
this is my second
here,
book, just I posted it
this
in
is my
January
second
this
book,
year.
just I posted
I'm
it
super proud this
in
about this one
January
because
this year.
I'm talking
I'm super
in
proud
my
this
second book
this
about
one because I'm talking
parallels
in my
between
second book
coding
about
and art,
parallels
and
between
I'm
coding
bringing up
and
everything to
and
the idea
I'm
that
bringing up
we are very robotic. We
everything to
perceive
the
art
idea
as
that
robots,
we are
and
very
artificial
robotic. We
intelligence
perceive
is
art
going to
as
prove
robots,
us with
and
this.
artificial
And
intelligence is
that,
going to prove us with this.
yeah, actually, if we analyze the
And
art, it's very, very,
Yeah, actually, if we analyze
very,
the art,
very,
it's very, very,
very, very robotic. You're
very,
gonna see it if
very-
you download
very,
the
very robotic.
the
You're
book,
gonna see
especially
it
as I say,
the-
such
the book,
programming
especially
principles
as I
as
say, such
recursiveness,
programming principles
polymorphism.
Recursiveness,
It's just purely related to art, and
it's
pretty much any kind of
purely related to art,
science
pretty
or
much any kind of
like
science,
everything. Like it's like a macro and micro worlds. I see it like this.
everything like it's like a macro.
The interpret as huge is meowing. Very welcome in here. Let me briefly show you what I do right now in here.
Let me briefly show you what I do right
Oh
now
my
in
god,
here.
I cannot see the chart. I cannot see nothing. And she's pretending like she's not disturbing me. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you a little bit of 3D, like, and about my balconies project. Let me see in here. This is my cartoon. I will not play it right now, but it's on YouTube. I can actually share the link to you.
I can actually share the link to you.
Pestaru, it's in here. If you want, you can take a look. But basically, this is my very first animation that I did, and it's about the Paperonia Guslik, a character that was created online during my streams, and this is about a girl. All of this is made by me in 3D in Blender. That I'm gonna play this right now so you can see. So basically, the story is that she's biting the slice of pizza with pineapple, and she's going crazy, and then she will sneak inside of the Louvre and steal Mona Lisa. I'm gonna jump over some parts to make it more fast. So this is a moment when she's turning crazy, right? And the most important part is the Louvre part. Now you're gonna see it. I don't know what's wrong with Xena. You see, now she's going crazy totally. This is how she's sneaking inside of the Louvre. The Mona Lisa is there, and I draw the Mona Lisa because sometimes I do real paintings. I think it's just very good for personal development, for your brain even to draw. So yeah, the Mona Lisa is stolen, and now I'm doing the second part. I think that Xena is just doing everything possible just to not show my face to the screen. Like really, like I don't know. Thank you so much, Xena, if it's your way to protect me. I really love you for this. So now I'm doing the second part. If I gonna click file save, I think you can see some of them in my Instagram. This one. Smaller, just like this. Like I'm really. I will duplicate this object to remember. Now she changed the location. At least she's trying to change. Xena. All right. So this is a typical behavior of hers. So what I was saying, that now I do the second part of my cartoon, and the second part is about this guy, Vincenzo Perugia, the guy who is the real thief of Mona Lisa. If you enter to my Instagram, you're gonna see that there is a lot of 3D stuff, sometimes real paintings. There is my balconies project that I'm doing. This is again, like typically, I'm not lying when I say that this is my cat's behavior, because she's just, it's very typical behavior of my cat. Sometimes I do sketching like this, sometimes I do real paintings of the eyes, I do with fluorescent paint. So you can see a huge amount of different arts that I do. But now I'm quite a lot into 3D. And very last but not least that I really need to show is my balconies project. I will show you now. Is this one? So it's basically that I draw the balconies of Barcelona. She would make a good no thoughts had empty mem. She is the mem. But she actually has a lot of thoughts about Xena, I can tell you. Before I explain about the Xena, my project, I draw the balconies. They are all I did them all in Figma. So if I drag and drop in here, you can find exact location. I did this web page of where are my balconies located, and this is where are they located. So you can find all of my balconies. And here's the project in Still and Alive. This one is from this year. I'm counting all the year how much of my balconies I drove during the year. Last year I did 9. So my goal this year is to do 12, one per month at least. And yeah, sometimes I'm doing majorly in Barcelona, but some of them are actually not. Some of them are from Italy, from Portugal, from Switzerland, different. So that's what I do. And today I'm doing the second part. As you can see in here, I have my storyboard. It's basically we are modeling the house of Paperonia Guslik, the character, and she's gonna bring the stolen Mona Lisa to her home. So now we have here the window, and that's what I'm doing right now. Xena is just. It's been Xena. What I wanted to say about Xena is that this I cannot even call her animal. Actually, she is not an animal. She is. You know why? That's what I'm saying. She is very smart. She is aware of everything what I do. Everything what I say, she's controlling everything. She's just very good pretending. Like even now, she's perfectly understands that I'm speaking and talking about her. Like she is aware of this, 100%. Like she is aware of this. Look at her face. Even now, she understands it. Look at her face. No, that's not an empty head at all. No, that's not an empty head. What do I have in here? Just the window. So let me try to make it more beautiful. And then we're gonna do the table. And then we're gonna do the phone. So how are we gonna do the window more beautiful? I'm gonna go to the edit mode. I will select loop select age loops. So it's always selecting not fully for some reason to me. I already get used to it. So I'm gonna select all of them, and I'm gonna do bevel again. So I have it. Now I will. I don't like it. Again bevel. Just slightly like. Well, okay, good. I can do this. Then I can select the inner. Then I can select circle in here. Select loop edge loop. Select loop edge loop. And I'm gonna bring it to the front in here. Make it a little bit smaller, just like this. And moving it into the front, just like this. Oops, I think I had some. Oh, of course. Oh my God, I did a mistake. Oh, of course. Oh my God, I did a mistake. I did a mistake. So one more time, I need to select this. Select loop, edge loop. But I don't need to have those parts in here. That was working wrongly for me. So I deselect this. I'm moving this all to front, scaling it smaller.
front.
I don't know
Maybe
why is this
scaling it
moving. Is that
smaller.
something wrong with there? Xena, what
I
are
don't
you
know
doing?
Why is this moving? Is that something wrong with there? Xena, what are you doing?
No idea. She's trying again to bite me.
No idea. She's trying again to bite me.
So what I'm doing,
I'm
preparing the area
preparing
that I will extrude after. So I'm moving this to the front. Edge loops, I cannot do this. Okay, I will select by hands all of these sides.
Okay, I will select by hands all of these sides.
And we need to extrude them. So I'm extruding
And we need
them
to extrude
in
them.
here.
So I'm extruding them in here.
Good. Also, I can work with this and I can
Also, I can work
slightly
with
extrude
this and I
this
can
and put
slightly
it down.
extrude this and put it
It's
down.
very good.
It's very good.
And making it a little bit more round.
And making it a little bit more round.
And do bevel now.
And do
So this is
bevel
just,
now.
let's say, for me,
This is just, let's say,
like a
for
window.
me,
It's where the window is going to be located.
like a window. It's where the window is going to be located.
Have this file,
Have
save.
this file, save.
Let's do one little. We're gonna do today one little
Let's
thing
do
that I
one
want to
little-
make.
We're gonna do today one
for
little
sure.
thing that I want to make
So
for sure.
I want to put a table. How are we
So
gonna do the table? I
want
will
to put a table. How
go
we gonna
in
do the
here. I
table?
will
I will
go to this
here.
mode. It's
I
even
will
better. I will add
this is much
cube
better.
again.
I will add cube.
Let's see how I
again.
can do the
Let's see
table.
How I can do the
and I want it to be very, very beautiful.
table.
We're gonna do
and I want
table
it to be
by
very,
two
very
ways.
beautiful. We're gonna do table by two ways.
Checking what is going on there. So
Checking
we
what
will
is going on
do
there. So
table very, very
we will
simple.
do
So first of
table
all, I'm
very,
making
very
it very
simple.
plain,
So
like this.
first of all, I'm making it very plain.
Going to
like
the
this.
top. Move it in
Going
here.
to
This
the
would be the
top.
table, okay?
Move it in
Then I need
here.
to
This
go
would be the table,
to the
okay?
edit mode.
Then I need to go to
I
the
am
edit
selecting
mode.
this and Xena, what is
I'm
going
selecting
on?
This and Xena,
No.
what is going on?
No.
No.
Yes, I love you also.
Yes, I love
Xena,
you
don't
also.
bite me.
Xena, don't bite me.
Unbelievable. So I will try to, I need to
I will try to
extrude
I need
it, make it smaller,
to extrude it,
put
make
it
smaller,
back.
put it back.
Let's say that this is
Let's
For
say
now.
that this is
what I want, but
now.
I'm not sure if that's exactly what I want. But
what I
let's say
want,
that
but
this
I'm not
is
sure if that's exactly what I want.
what
But
I
let's
want.
say that
Let's
this is
pretend. Okay,
what
so
I
we
want.
put it
Let's
like this.
pretend. Okay, so we put it like this.
All right.
All right.
Xen, please,
Then
do you guys think that her face is
Please.
normal and she's
do
not
you
trying
guys
to
think that
scare
her
me?
face is normal, and she's not trying to scare me.
Is it okay? Is it okay? I don't understand this. We're going to object mode. We're gonna do add,
Object mode. We're gonna do add,
and we are adding sphere.
and we are adding sphere.
This is supposed to be just a handler, like a
This is supposed to be just
tool to pull the
like a
table with.
tool to pull the
We can make it better,
with.
but we will do something like this.
We will do something like
But my
this.
goal is actually to make something
goal
different.
It's actually to make something different.
It's to make a hair.
It's
How I
to
will
make
do it? File,
a hair.
save.
How
I need
will
to
do it.
add.
File, save. I need to add.
I think I need to add a pass.
I
Curve.
need to add
A pass. Okay.
Curve.
Where is it?
A pass. Okay.
It
Where
is
is
in
it?
here.
It is in here.
And I think I again
And I
forgot how to do it.
I
So
again
I need to go
forgot
back
how
and
to do it.
Google.
So I need to go back and
Um,
Google.
Hair with pass blender. I repeat it forever again and again and again because I always forget
Repeat
about
it
this. This was
forever
this
again
one.
and again and again.
Teams
This
City
guy
will help
was
you to get
explaining
started
very
with
good everything.
continuous
Oh look, I
integration
was doing this
for
girl
free.
one
Every
like
big
long
thing
time ago.
starts
This
small.
one.
I'm gonna show you how to create
Like
Yes.
long
grab-
time ago.
Now-
this one.
Let's
guys. So to
Yes.
so I'm just going to
Yeah,
rotate
let's-
this in bevel over here. Go down to this icon.
Uh-huh.
Use control
he added two curves, right?
that I have down over here. The orientation,
Yeah, two
however, does
curves, right?
create curves over here. I'll create a path curve and another curve, which is the circle.
Pass and circle, and then he would go
Pass
to
And circle, and then he
To
will
the-
go
bevel.
to the bevel.
She would make a good nose. So yeah, I already read it. Okay.
Would make a good nose. So yeah, I already
So
read it.
it's a pass
Okay.
and it's a circle and a pass.
it's
So I have a
pass and it's a
pass and I
circle
have
a pass. So I
a
have
curve. I need to edit.
pass
A
and I
curve.
have a curve. I need to edit.
We're gonna
curve.
get circle. Let's move it in
Gonna get
here.
circle.
Now I will explain what exactly why I'm doing table
Now I will explain
and
what exactly
Googling
why
for
I'm doing
hair.
table and Googling
I'm doing table and I
for
googled for the
hair.
hair tutorial
I'm
for
doing
Blender.
table and I
This
googled for the
is
hair tutorial.
so easy
for
because
Blender. This
with hair
is
tutorial
so
you
easy
basically
because
can do whatever you want.
with hair tutorial.
This is so
you
obvious
basically
for
can
me.
do
So
whatever
we
you
have
want.
this.
This is so obvious for me.
And
So
now
we
I
have
think that
this.
what he gonna do, he gonna go here and he
now I
would
think that what
say
he gonna do, he gonna go here and he would say
bevel in here, custom properties probably, or where is
bevel
it?
in here, custom
Geometry
properties
bevel
probably, or where is
object,
it?
and he would pick up.
Geometry
No,
bevel
he would pick up
object and
this. He would pick up this
no,
and go to
up
all
this,
geometry
pick up this and go
bevel
to all geometry
object, and he would pick
bevel
up this object. So now we have a
object,
tube,
and he would
which
pick
would
up
be the legs of
Now
my
we have a
table.
tube, which would be the legs
And
of
by
my
editing
table.
this, I can change it.
And
So
by
I
editing
can
this, I can change
edit
it.
mode,
So
and I can do
edit mode, and
Can
I
I?
can do
any kind of shape
Can
that
I?
I want to do. And in here,
any kind of shape that I want to do, and in here,
fill caps. No, well, wait a second.
fill caps.
In here,
No,
can I
well,
do fill caps? Yeah, I better do it. I better
fill
put it.
caps. I
And
better do it. I better put it.
and what is this? What is it I'm doing? Factor start. I have no idea what is that.
What is it I'm doing? Factor start. I have no idea what is that.
No idea what I just changed. But we're gonna see now. He gonna work there for the
But we're gonna
points.
see now. He gonna work there for the
He will explain
points.
it in here.
He will explain
Geometry. Okay, he's working on geometry.
geometry. Okay, he's working on geometry.
Hair mesh. Anyways, so I'm gonna grab everything.
Ah, Xena, no. Xena, don't
Ah,
bite
Xena,
me.
no.
Xena, I
Xena,
will
Don't
stop it.
bite me. Xena, I will.
To
Stop it.
tilt individual points when I'm basically trying to groom the hair. Points, and I scaled each point. So
Ah, okay, yeah, he's scaling it.
Ah, okay, yeah, he's scaling it.
So go to edit mode and here.
So go to edit mode and here.
If I do scale, no, it's not
If I
working.
do
Well, how he's
scale?
doing it?
No, it's not working. Well, how he's doing it?
Okay, let's take a look.
once you do that, right away you're gonna see that
Okay,
the
let's
path
take a
curve got the shape of the circle. So I'm just going to rotate this so that we have the same orientation as the curves down, like so. And then I'm going to go to the circle curve over here and I'll move the points. So just to make sure that which points controls which area of the path curve, I'm going to move this. And then I'll
Yeah,
look
it's
back,
moving. It's
and
very
there you go. So it's
understandable.
controlling
Yeah, it's moving.
the
it's
area
very
in the bottom over here,
understandable.
which is perfect. Okay, so what I can do is I'll just put it upwards like this. I'm just going to remove the proportional editing. So I'm just going to move it up over here. And then I will scale these guys. So to scale a point over here, you're going to have to grab the outer points and scale it like so. So I'll grab these guys as well. And then I'll scale both. And I'll scale the outer point. There you go.
Yeah,
So
but I
now
don't
it's
need
just
this
like
exactly.
so,
I need
because
to have.
I
Yeah,
went
but
to
I don't
edit
need
mode,
this exactly. I
for
need to
individual
have-
hair strand.
How do you do
Individual
it?
points, just the points by itself, you're going to have
how
to
do you
use
do it?
Alt S like so. There.
Ah, it's alt scaling. Okay.
It's alt scaling.
So I do
okay.
alt S and I can make it
So I
like
do
this. So
alt
now
S and I can make it like
I
this.
want
So
to
now
make like this
I want to make
and like this. We are doing the legs of the table, which would be
like this.
super.
We are doing the
super
legs
good for
of
us.
the table, which would be super good.
Let's
for us.
rotate it all.
Let's rotate it all.
Let's say I will
Let's say
rotate
I
it just
will
like this.
rotate it just like this.
Okay.
Okay.
And now we will add even more stuff in here.
And now we
Like I'm
will
doing this.
Add even more stuff in here, like I'm doing this.
Yeah, I can make it wider. This
Yeah, I
I
can
can
make it
make
wider.
even more narrow, and this even more.
Can make even more narrow, and this even more.
How can I even make it more narrow?
Can I
Oh
even
no,
make it more narrow.
Xena.
Oh no, Xena.
Don't know what she's trying to do. Ah, okay. Typically,
she's
we
trying
start
to
to
do.
eat up my
Okay.
hair.
Typically, we start
Xena.
to eat up my hair.
Xena. Okay, she's again eating my hair.
Okay, she's again eating my
I
hair.
don't know if you can see it.
I don't know if you can see it.
Xena, stop it. Alt S, are you gonna make it grande in this?
Alt S, are you gonna make it grande in this?
I don't know how to make it smaller.
I don't know how to make it.
This probably is the
smaller.
smallest stuff that I can do, but it's okay.
This probably is the smallest stuff.
This
that I
I
can
probably
do,
gonna
but
make
it's
this one
okay.
smaller, if I
This I
can.
probably gonna make this one smaller.
Not that.
If I
Well,
can. Not that. Well,
Xena, can you stop it?
Xena, can you stop it?
Actually, I will try to move it.
Actually, I will try to move it.
So annoying. So annoying. Looks like some ugly
Some-
bug. But what can I do?
Ugly bug. But what can I do?
Yeah, so more or less, that's how I saw
Yeah, so more or less,
To
that's
have-
how I saw
a leg
have-
of my table.
a leg of my table.
More or less something like this. I also love you.
More or less something like this. I also love you.
So now I will just put all of those dots on one
Now I will just put all of those
Level?
dots on one
like this.
level.
Okay, perfect.
Like this.
And go to object mode.
And go to
Scale
object
it
mode.
down.
scale it down.
Okay, we'll duplicate it. Okay, we'll duplicate it.
This one we will convert to mesh. This one we will convert to mesh.
Now I would need to select all of this.
Now I would need to select all of this.
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 So hard. So hard.
So hard. So hard.
Okay, one. I know that I could select it in a better way,
I know that I could select it in a
but I will
better
do it
way,
like this.
but I will do it like this.
Okay. Okay. All right. Now I can rotate it.
All right. Now I can rotate it.
Oh, no, 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 no. This is so bad. Why it's not connected?
No, 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 no. This is so bad. Why it's not connected?
Okay, if I click A
Okay, if I
and I
click
click
A,
join, I
and I
cannot
click
join nothing.
join, I cannot join nothing.
Well, can I go at least at sculpt mode and
Well, can I go at least at sculpt mode and
to change it with grab?
to change it with grab?
Because I don't want to investigate a lot right now.
Because I don't want to investigate a lot right now.
Again, Xena wants to
Again,
cut my hair.
then I want to
Can I
cut
flatten
my
this?
hair. Can I
Sure how to
flatten
work.
this?
Well, anyway,
Sure.
I cannot
Well, anyway,
do it
I cannot.
like this, so I'm gonna just move. Oh, Xena! She's
this,
scratching
so
me.
I'm
No,
gonna just-
Xena.
Oh, Xena! She's scratching me. No, Xena.
Unbelievable. Xena, don't touch me. Xena, don't touch me. Just rotating this.
Just rotating this.
That's how I see
That's
my
how I see
table, at least more or less,
My
should look like. That
table,
was
at
my
least
idea.
More or less should look
But
like.
looks like a
was my
little
idea.
escarabajo, which I
But looks like
will
a
not
little escarabajo. Which
continue with. Maybe I
will
can
not
make it smaller
I continue with. Maybe I can make
and
it smaller.
like this. They're all different actually.
And like this. They're all different actually.
Xena, don't touch me. Oh my god.
Xena, don't touch me. Oh my god.
She scratched me in here quite badly.
She scratched me in here quite badly.
Okay. So something
Okay. So
something like this.
something what I imagined actually.
Gonna move this one in here and this one in here. In here and this one in here. She cannot get relaxed today. And I'm moving it in here. So this is a little bit how the very beginning of my interior gonna look like, guys. I need to go now because I got tired, and at least I wanted to make at least 1 hour of stream, so it's ready. I did it. I'm super happy with this. Not gonna do the raid because I have only 2 persons there, even though that I have more persons in YouTube. In any way, I will continue on Saturday. Today it was just unexpected changes that I couldn't predict. But guys, thank you all a lot still for joining. Mwah. I'm sending all the kisses, and I will continue on Saturday, or we will continue with balconies illustration because I need to finish the February one. Mwah. Thank you a lot, and see you very soon.